Hello, today I am going to talk about geometry. So it's called geometry, and I'm going to talk about basic geometry. And I'm going to talk about basic geometry. Okay. Today I'm going to talk about basic geometry. In geometry, few definitions are there, and all definitions are very important in geometry because without understanding the basic uh, thing, we cannot proceed in geometry. So number one is point. Okay, this is point. Point which has no dimension. That means point with no length, no breadth, no height. That means point is dimensionless. Okay. So this is the basic idea about point. Point has no length, no breadth, no height, no dimension. Okay. Now the next thing is plane. Plane means like this. This is a page, okay, and this is a plane. This is an example of plane. Plane has length and breadth, okay, and just for example, the table, the surface of the table surface, or whiteboard surface. All are the example of plane. Okay. The third one is line segment. First line, then line segment. Line. Sum of infinite number of points makes a line. Okay. Sum of infinite number of points makes a line. And line has no limit. Okay. No limit, or line is endless. It has no end point. These are the few idea about line. Now, the next thing is line segment. Line segment. Line segment means part of the line. Suppose this is a infinite line. Between this is A point, this is B point. Okay. This small part or small piece is called line segment. AB is called line segment. Okay. And this is a small piece of a line. So this is all about line segment. The fifth one is ray. Ray. That means which has one end point. Okay, one end point. And the another side is endless. So these are the very basic idea about geometry, few things. Now I am going to talk about few very important thing, that is called collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear points, that means on a line, three or more point. If three or more points are situated on a line, then we can say the points are collinear points. Here A, B, C. These three points are collinear. Okay. The next thing is coplanar lines. Coplanar lines. Coplanar lines. This is a plane. This is a plane. Okay. On this plane, if three lines are there or two lines are there, then we can say, suppose this is AB line, this is CD line, and this is EF line, then we can say AB, CD, EF, all lines are coplanar. Okay, all lines are coplanar, we can say. When two lines or three lines or four lines are situated on a same plane, then we can say those lines are coplanar lines. Intersecting line. The next example is intersecting line. Intersecting line. Intersecting line. Intersecting lines. When two lines are cutting each other and which has one common point, and is called P, which has common point, one common point, one two lines. If two lines have one common point, then we can say they are intersecting lines. They are A, B and CD are two intersecting lines. A, B intersect CD. Okay, at P point. Okay, intersecting lines. Now the next thing is very, very important: concurrent lines. This is very important. No problem. If three or more lines, intersect at a point, that is called P. Okay. If three or more lines intersect at a point, okay, then we can say those lines are concurrent lines. Okay, this is an example of concurrent lines. That means all lines are intersecting each other at the same point. Now, next thing is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular line. This line and this line, if they are cutting each other and they are making 90 degrees with each other, then we can say these are perpendicular lines. Okay, all are 90 degrees. All are 90 degrees. Okay, that means they are cutting each other. Perpendicular bisector. The next point is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. That means this is a line, and if some line is cutting each other, and if this portion and this portion is equal, that means if this is 10 centimeter and this one is also 10 centimeter, that means we can say this line is the perpendicular bisector and they are making 90 degree angle. Okay. The next thing is complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary. Okay. If the sum of two angles are 90 degrees, then we can say those are complementary angles. So this is 90 degrees and here is some angle. If this is 30 and this one is 60, then if 30 plus 60 is 90, then we can say those are complementary angles. Okay. Then sum of theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees. That means sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Then we can say they are complementary angles. Supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. That means this one is 30 degrees and this one is 150 degrees. That means 30 plus 150. When theta 1 plus theta 2 is 180 degrees, then we can say they are supplementary angles. Okay. So here is 1p, here is 2p. 1p means 1 perpendicular, that means 90 degrees. 2p means 2 perpendicular, that means 290 degrees, that means 180 degrees. Okay. The next thing is bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle. So if we have one angle and one another line is, this is bisecting. Okay. That means this line bisecting line. This is bisecting line. This line is bisecting. That means this line is dividing the whole angle into two parts. Okay, bisecting line is called. If this is theta, this is also theta. Bisecting means dividing into two parts, two equal parts. Okay. So this is called bisector of an angle. Adjacent angle now. Adjacent angle means, suppose I am going to talk with this picture. These two angles are adjacent with each other. That means those two angles are situated at the left and right side of this common arm. Okay. Suppose if this is this, the two angles have common arm. Okay, common arm. Common arm or side. Common arm or common side, whatever you can say. If two angles have same common arm, then we can say they are adjacent angles. Linear pair. Now, next thing is linear pair. If this is an angle, So we can say these two angles are linear pair. This is theta, this is phi. Those angles are linear pair. Okay. The next thing is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Intersecting angle. This is theta. This is also theta. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Parallel lines. These are the example parallel lines. That means they will not cut each other. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B and C, D are the example of parallel lines. A, B parallel to C, D. They will not cut each other. Okay. Throughout the line, the difference or the distance between two parallel lines always be the same. This is the basic criteria of a parallel lines. Transversal lines. Transversal lines. This, it may be parallel or it may be not. This is the example of transversal line. This is the example of transversal line. Okay. So it was all about few basic criteria of geometry. I will talk about those definitions in details for my next video. So thank you for now.